Mason, Cash are at home.
No. Scary.
Those are weird looking. Here, come here, let's go see water. Yeah. The water is so clear. Aww.
He's hungry.
These ducks, these mallard ducks, they're in Georgia. Oh, he's like, I'm getting out of here, kids. Come, careful, Liam. Liam, careful, careful. I know. Isn't that pretty, Liam? Oh wow, look at the fish. Liam, do you see them? Look at them, they're huge. That's so cool. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4 fish right there, right? 4? Oh, there he is, he's moving, he was attacking them. And then he goes back to that one on this little trail. Wow, Bubug. See if there's more fishies. He's right. There's 2 of them. You see them over there?
Yeah. There's a big one over there.
Wow. No, there's 2. Oh, there's a baby one too behind them. There's like 3 of them.
Oh yeah, that's.
They're huge. He's swimming away.
Cooler with like some ice in it, and walk up here with like some picnic foods and stuff, and then we just stay here for a couple hours.
Yeah.
It died. It died.
This spot's really cool.
It's so pretty.
Allison, look. Remember this, Allison?
This is just the most precious spot right here. I can't even. What, Bubug? No. Careful, don't slip, okay?
Come here, Mom. Come see.
Come what?
Come here.
I want to stay right here. It's so pretty. All right, I'll come with you.
I'm gonna find the tomato.
Oh, whoa. Did you see that, Buggy? Look how pretty that is. Is this real?
This is screen.
Is this real, Bubug? Look at this big fish right there. He's huge.
Ooh, that's a big boy.
He is big. Wow, this water is so beautiful, isn't it?
Carefully.
This is so healing, right?
I like this spot. It's very away from everything.
That's like tomato. Like a tomato.
Alice, look at you. She's so cute. She's like, it's like a bouncy toy, I know.
Yeah, it's like God's playground.
That's cute. Allison, you're so cute. Did you jump? Look at the size of these nails in this tree. Where did... Okay. Look at that chain. It's like unchartered.
I'm gonna go down there, Mommy. No, it's okay. You do it, Mommy.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you did it.
Oh, you're such a good encourager. I love to be out by places like this. It's my favorite.
There's a ladybug going down there.
Oh, okay.
Down there.
Steven, there's duck. Aww. You can always feel God's presence the most in nature and his animals. I thought it was a pterodactyl. Look at the size of him, Liam. Did you see that? He was huge. Look at it, Liam. Kids have more fun outside doing this than they do at parks and stuff. There's so many of them. You see him, Alice? You see him? She's pointing. Aw. She's pointing to him. Yeah. Aw. You see them, Alice?
It's a tomato.
There is so many of them in that spot. Yeah, sand.
Come on, Mommy.
Huh?
There's so many of them. Oh, they're so cute. Wow, there's like hundreds of them. These things are about the size of my arm. They're really pretty. They got blue on them. Do you like it right now, where you're at? He's like, I just need to sit down.
I want you to sit down.
Oh, are you taking it all in, Bubug? It's beautiful, huh? Yeah. Do you feel Jesus?
Yes. He's on my body.
Yeah, he's in your body. That's right.
He's in my stomach.
Yeah, he's a part of you, huh?
Hey, sit down here, Dad.
Here's Liam's view. This vast open field.
You want to build a fire?
Aww.
The fire's up there with fire.
Yeah.
Where's the fire stick? Fire. What's you pocket?
I don't have it, Liam. I didn't bring it this time. And we can't make a fire here.
The fires are on the ground.
This is a different type of park, Bug. They don't let us do fires out at this park. Yeah. One day, Jesus is going to bless us with our own land where you can make fires all the time outside. But right now, the world's in a whole new, different place. We can't do that anymore. Do you understand?
I know.
Aww. Hi. Are you a little Eskimo? I know. Allison she looks very Scandinavian. She from Steven's side of the family. She's so cute. Allison, he's so cute. Wilkie scratched her face this morning because she was playing with him. Hello, pretty girl. Allison. Oh, you're so cute. Hi. You got your stick? She's always got a stick when we go out, huh?